In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Canva. Whether you're new to Canva or looking to enhance your design precision, adjusting the zoom level can significantly aid your workflow. So let's dive right in and explore how you can effortlessly zoom in and out on Canva to better view and edit your designs. First off, head over to Canva's website by typing canva.com into your browser. Once you're there, you'll see the login button prominently located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on that and go ahead and sign in with your account credentials. If you haven't registered yet, you can choose to log in using your Google or Facebook account for a quick and seamless experience. Now that you're logged in, it's time to get started on your project. Navigate through your dashboard and select the specific project you want to work on. This will open up the Canva workspace where you can see your design, ready to be modified. At this point, let's locate the zoom control area in Canva. Direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the interface where you'll find the zoom slider bar. This slider is your primary tool for controlling the view of your design. By dragging the slider to the right, you can zoom in for a closer look at the finer details of your design. Conversely, sliding it to the left will zoom out, giving you a broader view of your project. Alternatively, you can use keyboard shortcuts for quick zoom adjustments. Pressing Ctrl and the plus key together will zoom in, allowing you more focus on specific areas. If you're using a Mac, use the Command key instead of Ctrl. Similarly, pressing Ctrl along with the minus one and key will zoom out, providing an expansive view. Learning these shortcuts can save you time and make your navigation even smoother. There's also the option to fit your design precisely to the screen. Use the fit option found on Canva's interface, which is perfect for when you want to see your entire design without manual adjustments. It automatically calibrates the zoom level, making it a handy feature for designers working with various canvas sizes. Remember, efficient zoom control can transform how you interact with your design, improving both precision and convenience. Feel free to test each method to determine which best suits your workflow. With these tips, you'll be navigating through Canva like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.